Gents, let's talk about Fernando da Cruz contract ayisanile with Kaizer Chiefs ingakanani, and also speak about Ulangelihle Phili, a player that Kaizer Chiefs want, and also speak about Cedric Kaza getting a new team in the Betway Premiership and what does it mean for you Kaizer Chiefs. Like the video, let's make sure that this video gets to at least 100 likes. Okay, gents. Lomjita Cedric Kaza has a new team. We're gonna start with him. He has a new team in the Betway Premiership. Skukuna United decided to give him a coaching job. It's a 1-year deal with an option to extend with 2 years. What does it mean for Kaizer Chiefs, gents? These guys beat us kule season iqeda kudlula besacoachwa Eric Tinkler. They beat us 3-1, I think. Yeah, Bradley Hobler scored 2 goals and then he assisted. Asinquma eyedwa uBradley Hobler. Kodwa ke we are here to talk about Cedric Kaza. Cedric Kaza, what does it mean for Kaizer Chiefs? Does it mean that Kaizer Chiefs will struggle against Cedric Kaza because abafana uqeda kuba coach like in this season? I think it's going to be very difficult to play Skukuna again. Kodwa ke hopefully Fernando da Cruz will do a better job, show Cedric Kaza that he's a better coach than him. Hopefully, we're not going to drop points against Skukuna United. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments about Kaza joining a team in the Betway Premiership. And also, this guy, Khalil Ben Youssef, it looks as if Iswele, Iswele or Durban City, no, it's Durban City, efuna ukumsayina. It could happen. This means that Kaizer Chiefs could have two of their former coaches coaching other clubs, who may make it difficult for them. As you guys know, ukuthi kunzima ukudlala no coach or one coach, like for example Kevin Hunt. It's always difficult ukudlala no Kevin Hunt. Stellenbosch sakhe ngoku siyashlupha every season. Hopefully next season sokwenza kangcono against bonke abacoach, these former coaches be Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, moving on to Ulangelihle Phili. Ulangelihle Phili bafethu uSoccer Beat to report ukuthi he is prioritizing ukuya phesheya rather than staying in PSL. So umjida ulinde i-offer eqhamukayo phesheya before he can accept any team emfunayo in South Africa. So if Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates or Sundowns want him, he's going to delay before aphendule because ufuna ama offers aphesheya. Umjita uthi ufuna ukuya phesheya. I think he can sign with the team, South African team, a big team, one of these big 3, but umbiko uthi umjita he's prioritizing ukuya phesheya. He wants to play abroad. That's what he wants. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Can Kaizer Chiefs do something to convince the boy and also Stellenbosch to sign for Kaizer Chiefs and all that? What can we do? What do you guys think we can do to convince Umjita to come and sign for us? Let me know in the comments. Okay, moving on to Fernando da Cruz, the deal he signed with the Kaizer Chiefs. Umiki Jr., you guys know him, is saying that Fernando da Cruz is coming. We must not worry. He posted this on his Facebook. It post Kaizer Chiefs supporters, there's no need for concern. Da Cruz has already put pen to paper on a 2-year deal plus option to extend. So umjita da Cruz signed a 2-year deal with the Kaizer Chiefs with an option to extend. Okay, so umjita uzanyane at Kaizer Chiefs. He's our coach. Okay, the deal is done and the contract has been delivered. Wow, say signile and they are deliver. Woo. Okay, the official unveiling now rests with the club, but the announcement is expected to follow this week. So this week they are going to announce this guy. This week, it's Monday today. Angeke azashawa Sunday engaka announce umjita show, and then a big week ahead for the it's just continuation of the post. So Jens da Cruz is our coach. This is confirmation. Maisisho Mickey Jr., he's really he never lies. He's one trusted journalist, I would say. He doesn't lie. So this guy, Fernando da Cruz, is going to be our coach. No, Pito is not coming. Yesterday, Lawrence Koller posted Guti, Pito, there's a big job for him and everything. And we thought, because Kaiser Chiefs are a big club, we thought maybe there's still a chance that he would come to us. Go to again. Poster up. Mickey Jr. confirming that Fernando da Cruz is going to be our coach for next season. Gents, just to speak about Fernando da Cruz, gents, what should we expect from him? Okanye, it's going to be a difficult one. So let me just leave this conversation for another day.